Hello everybody, welcome to the Professional Builder Magazine YouTube channel. My name's Adam and today we are testing this Heidelberg Materials, formerly Hanson, 40 Newton concrete in a bag. Right then, the job for today, we're going to be concreting this small porch pad and we're going to be using the 40 Newton concrete by Heidelberg Materials. Now this is perfect for this size of job. If you've mixed concrete before, you know you're going to need sand, stone, maybe ballast in the bag, cement separately. What this is concrete in a bag. Add water, pour it down, done. And we're going to show you exactly how to do it. Did you know that Hanson have rebranded to Heidelberg Materials? This is just some of their range, which you'll find up and down the country at your local builders merchants. As with every Heidelberg Materials product, there is comprehensive directions of use on the back of the pack. If you're unsure, please read them. What we're going to do now, we're going to get a bit of water in the mixer, add it to the concrete and get it into the job. Right, I've got that to the consistency that I want it now, very easily actually. Follow the instructions on the pack, recommended amount of water, and it has gone together, really nice creamy mix, very, very easily. I'm impressed with that. So we're going to empty it out now and get it into there. Well, as you can see then, job done, and that was very easy to do. As I said earlier, it knocked up really creamy, which made it very easy to use, to smooth off, get it nice and compact and get the job done. So very small aggregate as well, only 10 mil, all the nooks and crannies, gets nice and smooth, very, very good stuff. So then, final thoughts. I really like this stuff. As you can see, comes in small grab bags, very easy to use. You'll save a load of space on site, especially if you're on a work building site that you haven't got rooms for a big bulk bag of ballast, things like that. Small jobs, this is perfect for it. It mixed up really well, as I said before, really nice and creamy. If ever you've knocked anything up in a mixer before, you're not going to get this wrong. It's my personal opinion, and you will have to get this okayed by your structural engineer, but I'll be able to use this for getting under steels, to get a nice high tension concrete under it. This is 40 Newton. That's not something you're going to be able to knock up by yourself using ballast and cement. Also maybe for lintels in situ, that kind of thing. Something back of my mind to know that I can go out, get a bag of this and it's job done really easily. For more information about this product from Heidelberg Materials, there's a link in the description below. Well, thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the Professional Builder YouTube channel. I've been Adam. Until next time, thank you very much.